So I have been working hard around my house. Got a lot more to do. And I kind of cleaned out this big old tub because I got these lily pads with lights on them, and they're going to be totally awesome. They come on at night automatically. That's our neighbor's dogs. They always bark at me. Annoying. I guess they're just doing their job. Anyways, I've been working hard on my fairy gardens and just kind of show you around a little bit, show you that I've been cleaning up. Still got a long ways to go. I recovered this bench with some birds. I think it's kind of cute. And butterflies. Cleaned up all these little gardens. Of course, the cat has already been in that one. That's obvious. And my little granddaughter Audrey gave me this little bird bath with birds on it. And I put it in this fairy garden. I hope she'll like it. We got one up here. I got fairy gardens everywhere. And I got some new flowers for this, whatever you want to call it. I call it a fairy garden. I think it was a plant holder. Found that dog and some stuff I bought. And I cleaned this one up this morning. Trying hard to get things done around here before school starts. Rock garden's looking pretty good, I think. Killed a lot of wasps. You walk around here, still got lots to do. That cactus was broke. I still got 3 more fairy gardens to clean out. This little bird, he sings. Well, he did. I guess he stopped. Oh, he's already run out of batteries. Hear him? Barely. I'll show you around the patio. We don't dial 911. And these come on at night. This little truck, its lights come on at night. Had a long time. As you can see down there, it needs a lot of work down there under the carport. We're still working up here. I fixed up a lot of my gardens, so I thought I'd show you while the water's filling up. This is a great big girl. She's like 2 foot tall that my daughter made out of clay. I still got to clean all this up. This butterfly is not working out all that great. Everything is so windy around here. This needs some cleaning up. And I thought this was cute. You see the little turtle eating an ice cream. For some reason my husband got me this bamboo. I don't know why. It's not my thing. And this is a whistle that my daughter made out of clay. And there's one of my other little fairy gardens. And I cleaned up this birdhouse. I've got lots of birdhouses. Most of them are in the shed right now. And this one's already got spider webs on it, and I just cleaned it. I added some lights to it. I made this one for my daughter years ago. And this is one of my favorites. It's a pig barbecue, which I need to put back on its bench. The flying fairy, horse from Peru, little turtle climbing in. And this one over here I like a lot too. It's a picnic, and I had these little lights and just keep sticking up that stopped working, so I took them apart and I'm just using them for decoration now in my garden. So I'm going to put something in there. I got a mess going on out here. It's my cows I've never showed you. Here comes the hummingbirds. Well, maybe not. She came up here and she flew away. This is also a fairy garden, and she used to have lights on it. It's pretty old now, but she's kind of cute, blowing a kiss. And up here, this comes on at night. It's a hummingbird. Anyways, just wanted to share with you some of the, oh, here's one I forgot to show you. It's kind of cool. I like this one. It's western. It's a little horse. Definitely a Texas thing. A little working, you know. Well, that's it for now. Just wanted to make a little YouTube on some of the stuff I'm doing at home before school starts, because I am a bus driver. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what I should do next. Have a blessed day. Bye.